Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs2 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then we have to localize the option software version, and sometimes it will be software version, sometimes build number or build version, something like that. Simply find something similar and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. Then let's go to the system and updates and tap on developer options. Now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option automatic system updates and tap on the switcher to turn on the feature. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted and obviously whenever the system update is available. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.